Hey guys, I'm Rhiannon, Queen of Adventure.
And I'm Jordan. Rhiannon and I have been friends for a long time, and we both share a love of traveling and adventure.
We've been getting a lot of questions lately about us living in an RV. We're currently traveling the country, and we thought we'd take a little bit of time to kind of give you a little bit of background.
So after Rhiannon and I both decided that exploring the U.S. was something we both really wanted to do, we decided to rent an RV. We checked out an RV for 3 days and went to a bunch of different spots, hookups and no hookups, to see if two friends could really live in such a small space together. Check it out.
So we are on our way. We are headed to Anzo, Borrega. Just driving down the road. We are super excited. I'm gonna get everything hooked up and have a cocktail because this was on the nerves. Ice. Gotta stop to get ice. We're stopping to get ice. We're stopping.
We're stopping to get ice.
We're stopping to get ice. We have to do it right here.
Yep.
The dump station.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Oh, it's
Why
really
did I go
nasty.
over here? What's happening?
Oh, we're just trying to figure out.
Oh.
Oh. It's choking me. Oh my god. Trying to figure out if we have a drinking tank, or if we can put drinking water in our tank, and what kind of water and what tank it is. That's what we're doing.
Sven's finally being normal. He was purring last night for the first time. He's good. So we made it to San Clemente, and we are obviously about to go watch the sunset as you see that beautiful glow. A successful trip.
Cheers.
Nailed everything.
Day 3.
Everything we nailed.
Every single thing.
Not one
Except those
thing.
ones we're not talking about.
Except for the things that we're not going to mention. So we had such a great trip. Everything went smoothly. We did Anza Borrego, we did Joshua Tree, and last night, because we have to work tomorrow, we are in San Clemente, like maybe 5 minutes from my home, and we're gonna go watch the sunset.
Yay!
Thanks for joining us. So here we are last night at camp. We had the most amazing time. Got a bonfire. Got a Sven's chilling. He's sitting here with us. It has been the most amazing trip.
We're in San Clemente now, so it's close to home, so we can unpack and unload Sven and get this RV back. So next time we're in one,
Hopefully it's ours. After we rented the RV for the weekend, we definitely realized that this was something that we wanted to do, and we started making plans right away, really. We were so excited. We had several nights where we stayed up, had wine, and talked about what we would do. Here's some videos from that time. We're planning this. How are you feeling?
I'm so excited. We have all of our plans in the book. So many notes.
Yeah.
We're really gonna do this.
Yeah. How do you feel? Are you excited?
I'm inspired. I'm excited. I'm ready to get to work to make this happen.
Are you scared?
So scared. But that's what makes it exciting.
Yeah.
I'm so excited.
100%. Totally excited. Like, so excited, like, about the unknown, the journey, learning and growing and, like, discovering things that we don't know yet. Like, you know, and it's not like,
exploring.
Everything's not going to be perfect, you know?
Never.
And it's just all part of the journey, and I'm really excited about that.
So I've always had a love for traveling, and when I found myself at another Monday through Friday 9 to 5 job, I caught myself thinking quite a bit, there has to be more to life than this. And so I just never thought this would be my new life and this is what it would look like.
This is Big Booty Judy, and she's our home. We spent about 1.5 years saving, cutting expenses, making plans, getting rid of pretty much all of our things so we could fit our lives into this 26 feet of joy. So our plan is to travel throughout the U.S. for the next year. We're planning on visiting as many national parks as possible in this time. We do have one trip internationally planned, and we're going to be in England for a month, so stay tuned if you're interested in seeing what we're up to there. We are at Island Park Campground in Sanger, California.
It's about 45 minutes outside of Fresno at the base of Kings Canyon, and we came here because we got snowed out. We were planning on staying in Kings Canyon and Sequoia, but there's a nasty storm. As you can see, there's no storm here, which is nice.
Nope, it's a beautiful day.
So we'll be documenting our adventures, and we'd love for you to follow along. We are also doing it for ourselves, because how often is it that two best friends get to travel a country over a year? So it'll be a nice keepsake to have for us, and we look forward to making more videos.
If you're liking these videos, please like and subscribe. If you're interested in seeing a little bit more inside of Big Booty Judy, put a comment down below so we know that you want to see that video.
And if you have any other questions for us, feel free to ask.
Until next time, stay curious. Cheers. Hey guys, I'm Rhiannon, Queen of Adventure.
And I'm Jordy, Rhiannon's friend.
That was so dumb, so dumb. So many hair flips. So our plan is to spend the next year at least exploring the U.S. We're gonna get the
U.S. Okay, all right. Cheers. Stay curious.
You stay foxy.
No. That needs to go away.